Yeah.
The fear was there.
But they have brought so many leaders from
So
central.
what? For them it is a big natak, no? They have to show, no?
So
That
it
they are
was
not
just
in
a
it.
drama from BJP side.
They are not in it.
आणि काँग्रेसचे किती म्हणता तुम्ही काँग्रेसचे किती काय करून म्हणता तुम्ही
Congress is supposed to be setting with whatever the BJP wants.
So Congress is setting with BJP.
But both Wadi Island.
Everybody talks this. Tell me, my question is simple. I have intervened. My party has not contested. Yet I have intervened to see that the elections process goes on. Why is the Congress not affected? What does the government say on this matter? So silent.
But the section which High Court ordered and took a consideration of 1 year term, it was not happening, no? As per that,
What is not happening?
1 year
1
term.
year
of the-
term. It should be 1 year, no?
See, there are, everything is there. We have also produced judgments which is contrary to the Bombay High Court judgment. The problem is this was never tested by Supreme Court, according to me. But let me understand from my lawyer what it is. But on the face of it, this is my direct charge against the Congress and the BJP conspired to make the people of Goa fools. They have been making fools and we are fools at the end of the day.
पयर आता त्यांच्यानी फडणवीस मी काढलं फडणवीस तो सीएम हा
Unless yellow and yellow, किती झालं रे? What is the big thing? They are doing perfect acting. They are doing perfect acting. Why has the government not objected to this petition?
ओके
Straightforward.
So you are happy with the decision?
Not knew about the 151A, the section 151. You also knew that about that. But still you have intervention.
Because there are other High Court judgments which are contrary to that view,
which is contributed.
which is contrary to the Bombay bench. And since the process is on, there have been a lot of when process is on, there should not be interference. With that hope also we went. But you must understand that I was not accepted as a, I was not taken there as a matter of right. He had courtesy to hear my lawyer. Because therefore I'm asking, why did Congress not join, not intervene, since let the process go on?
Okay. Major question is why you have intervened in this case.
Let the process of democratic process go on now. I could see the conspiracy going on. I could see it. If others don't want to see it, I cannot help. Therefore I intervene. Asking that the process go on.
Who is there in this?
Who has brought Bombay lawyers, top lawyers? Who has brought? Check karo mare. Investigative journalism start.
सो आर नॉट हॅपी विथ द डिसिजन
I have joined to. What is the decision? A democratic process should go on. Who is fighting the BJP tooth and nail in Bengal today? In what way we are fighting it? Is the Congress fighting them anyway?
थँक्यू